Hello everyone and welcome to another FX Centrum analysis for the day. So for today I will cover our liquid cross asset list. I will speak about Euro versus US dollar, USD Japanese yen, pound dollar, dollar Mexican peso, gold, silver, US 500, US 30, WTI, Bitcoin, dollar, coffee, cocoa and sugar market. So let's start with the Euro versus US dollar. What I see here is a consolidation around upper Bollinger Band. So you can see that market is trading, that we have resistance at 1.1200 mark. And we're trading pretty much an extended run in the last 2 weeks or so. So there is still, of course, chance. It's upside environment, but if the market can trade lower, take the previous day low, there will be a chance potential retest of 1.10, let's say 1.1108 mark. If not, if the market can retest and re-break this resistance, then there will be a chance of potential 1.1250 to be in the test. So for now, like a consolidation with the potential because of extension potential for the downside rotation. USD Japanese yen, this is the market that I covered separately in our trade idea. So this is the bullish trade idea for today, as long as the market can hold 144.15. Upside shift from the bearish to bullish environment, and we might see the rally towards 146.35 or 147 mark. On the pound dollar, we also have extended run in the last 2 weeks from the lower Bollinger Band all the way extended and trading in around the upper Bollinger Band. Strong volatility expansion. So currencies are pretty active. We can see that. So if the market can re-break 1.3230 mark, there is a still chance for higher prices, and then 1.3300 might be in the play. But still, because of the extension in the last 2 weeks or so, there is always chance for a sell-off or potential at least pullback. And that pullback, if we see the pullback, there will be a chance for a retest of 1.3090 mark. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. So we have this consolidation after the markup. So if the market can break upside, we have upside continuation. If the market breaks 1.3178, there will be a chance for a downside, at least correction on the daily time frame. Now we have a dollar Mexican peso. So there was a sell-off, and then market is building higher highs and higher lows. Now we have this contraction consolidation. So if we see the bigger downbreak of this consolidation, maybe the retake of 1930, there will be a chance for a drop towards 1915 or even 19 mark. But if the market can retake 1945 or 1946, there will be a chance for the rally towards 1950 or 55 or even higher prices. So let's take a look here on the daily time frame. We're still sideways, but there is still a chance to test this pin bar, this tail, all the way around 20.20 mark. On the gold market, we basically had a rejection early of the lower Bollinger Bands. We are trading in upside environment, and we have a consolidation the last 5 days or so with the resistance at 2,530. Only if we can break that and hold above, then maybe 2,550, 560 might be in the play. Otherwise, there is a still chance for a downside rotation and more consolidation on the gold market. So maybe potential for the downside rotation towards 2,475. On the silver, we have, if we switch to the daily time frame, we can see that market is trading around upper Bollinger Band. Similar thing, we have some consolidation, and if market can re-break, let's say this 30.25 or so, there'll be a chance for the rally towards 31.30 mark if the market can break and hold above that. If not, of course, there is a chance for rotation back into this consolidation or around the 28, let's say around 29 mark. On the US 500, we can see that after the sell-off, market managed to go all the way higher, retake the high, and now there's a sell-off. So this might be the bear flag and a potential for the downside movement towards 5,581 or 5,560 mark. Again, this market is trading still around the resistance levels. We have consolidation last couple of days, so we might see that rotation to the downside. And the hourly, as long as this market hold below 5,655, there is a chance for a downside movement. On the US 30, we had a resistance on the test, so pay attention to this resistance. If you can break and hold, there's a chance for higher prices. If you see the rejection or so, bigger rejection, bigger downside move, then we might have the downside rotation towards this previous swing low. On a WTI, we had upside movement. I spoke about this. This was a trade idea that I gave yesterday, and this is basically we had the second 2 days in a row we gave the buy idea, the WTI. Both objectives reached, and now we see the relative strength in energy sector. And I will not be surprised if WTI can trade towards the previous swing high around 80.10 level and upper Bollinger Band. On the Bitcoin dollar, we traded around upper Bollinger Band. There was a break of this consolidation, but then there was no follow through. And in fact, that's a sign that we might see the downside rotation again towards the 60,000 mark. So far, downside rotation is pretty much in play. On the coffee market, we are testing resistance level. So we can see 2056 is resistance. So there is a chance for the higher prices if we can re-break that level. And then we have the basically potential even for 270 or so. So market is trading around the resistance level. So soft commodities are basically now breaking. There is a cocoa market that is breaking, also this multi-month consolidation, and the next objective is around, I will say, this previous swing high level on the daily time frame. And sugar also had a breakout of the consolidation. A free pushes down, a breakout that happened with the follow through. So it seems like, we might see the higher prices still in the sugar and maybe the retest of 20.50 mark. So that will be all for this FX Centrum daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you soon.